What's good? Welcome back to IO. I'm Charlotte Dobre, and this is probably the closest any of you have ever been to my face. So as promised, I have the conspiracy palette. It finally came last night, and I told you guys that I would do a review of it. Obviously, this isn't normally what we do on IO, but this was such a big deal in the YouTube community, and I've always kind of wanted to do one of these, so I figured why not? It's always good to like switch it up and try new things. Right now, I have my base on. I've got concealer on, and I use Painterly by MAC on my eyes. By the way, this is a makeup review, so sorry if you're not into makeup. You don't have to watch this video. I decided to make this video for anybody who was interested in watching it. I'm really excited. I haven't opened it yet. Let's just do that together, shall we? Oh my god. I'm like afraid. Oh, hello. There it is. Wow. Okay. So yeah, there it is. And it's very shiny, very bulky. Like it's like a coffin. All right, let's take a look, see? Okay. Oh my god, I'm like afraid of touching it. Like it is beautiful, right? Like it is gorgeous. It's so weird seeing it in person. All right, so I'm not a makeup artist and I don't pretend to be. I used to paint a lot when I was growing up. So I'm pretty good at painting, I'm pretty good at makeup. I'm not by any means trying to play myself off like I'm a professional, so don't think of me like that. This is basically just an honest review done by someone who's pretty good to average at makeup, which is probably the majority of us, so don't judge my makeup skills. I'm gonna do my best. All right, so I think on one eye I'm gonna go with like a neutral look, just sort of like an everyday, like maybe a pop of color type thing. And then on my other eye, I'm gonna go a little crazy. I've never gone crazy with my eyeshadow, so this is gonna be fun. Now let's just get started because I only have 2 film slots, shall we? So I'm gonna use Tanacon because I am so excited to use that shade. Honestly, since the palette came out, I'm just so excited. Now let's do my pills all over the lid. Just a quick little sweep in there. There's a little bit of fallout, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's aight. So I'm just gonna blend that all over. Oh my god, I feel like such a makeup guru right now. I'm like explaining to you guys everything that's happening. So yeah, there is a little bit of fallout. I'm just gonna like brush that away with my dollar store makeup brush. Okay. Yeah, that's super nice. It's almost a little bit too light. Like I feel like I could use it as like an eyebrow shade. So that's Tanacon. Like everyone's judging my makeup skills super hard right now. Diet root beer, we're gonna go with that in the crease. I had a really awful morning. I had to get here really early to film this because this is gonna take like a half an hour film slot. And I was running to catch the bus and I was running in heels with like huge bags because this conspiracy palette is huge. It came in a big box and like my big bag and like my straightener in it and stuff, and it was pouring rain. I had my umbrella and I was basically running down the street like Mary Poppins with like my massive bags to catch this bus, and the bus just like kept driving. I was so pissed off, man. I screamed at that bus driver. I was like, yeah! He not only left me standing on the curb in the rain, he left another woman standing there. Like honestly though, like that's my story. It's okay. I got the conspiracy palette. It's gonna be a good day, guys. It's gonna be a good day. That is like very neutral, but that is like kind of something that I would wear like on a day-to-day. Maybe we should go in there with some Just a Theory. Let's go with some of that. I love makeup artists that are like, and I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. 72. Just a little bit in here. Press it into the eye. I know jack shit. I literally got this brush for like $3 from Dollar Giant. But it works though, like whatevs. If it works, it works. All right, and then maybe just like a little bit up here. Cool, man. Lit. It's f***ing lit. I have been meaning to try this whole time, this electric yellow shade, food videos. I kind of want to put this in here. Watch out, Jeffree Star. I am the new guru. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I thought that was gonna be a little bit more pigmented, but I mean, it is like an electric yellow shade, so I'm not really sure what I was expecting. Interesting. Cool. So now I guess I'm gonna do a really crazy one on the other eye. So let's go in with my pills on the base. Then we're gonna go in with some Flaming Hot, okay, on the crease. Holy shit. Okay, okay, that is some color. That is a lot of pigment into it. So many people in my office wanted this palette. I was in line on November 1st trying to get this palette, and I think I waited in line for, not in line at the Morphe store, like online, when the website was broken, and I think I waited for 4 hours refreshing the page, like trying to work at the same time. So I'm like scripting on one screen and then refreshing the screen on the other screen trying to get this palette, and I finally got it at around 4 p.m. and then it said that it was gonna take 10 days for them to process it, and I just got it yesterday. Like, so that's 27 days of a wait. I was a little pissed, I'm not gonna lie, because like the whole point of these things is like you gotta jump on it before everybody else, right? But you know, whatever, it's fine. I like the palette. This is cray cray. It's cray cray! What would you do if I wore makeup like this around the office? Probably nothing. That's the answer, probably nothing. Oh my god, this is the most makeup I've ever worn in my life. Cool, man. Cheese dust, why not? Let's just throw a little in there. Wow, I am not skilled at this. Cheese dust. Makes me want Cheetos. Cheetos. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna take some concealer. It's not done yet. Leave me alone, it's not done. Like, they talk as they put on their makeup, but like, I feel like I'm worried that the final product is gonna be if I keep talking. So how are you guys? Let me know. How are you guys doing down in the comments? Why don't you tell me? All right, that doesn't look horrendous. I'm proud of myself, guys. I'm making it work, I'm making it work. Oh my goodness, that's so pigmented. Look at that. It's like still coming out off the brush. Just, it. Let's just go in with some green. What's the tea? What's the tea? I'll tell you what the tea is, boo. I am nowhere near as good at makeup as Nikki Tutorials, but like that looks okay. I don't know if I'm into the what's the tea with Flaming Hot, but let's go in with Illuminati, shall we? I'm literally just playing around, guys. Like, I don't really know what's happening, but you guys wanted a review, so this is me doing a review. Oh my god, I'm sweating, guys. I'm sweating. Maybe I should go in with the highlight. Should I highlight that? Let's highlight it, let's highlight it. Let's grab some ranch. Ranch. Yeah, I don't know. Looks alright. Look better with eyeliner though. Let's do that. So now I'm gonna put on some liner and mascara off camera, because that's gonna take some time, and complete the look. Okay guys, I really struggled to put my eyeliner on, I'm not gonna lie. Fucked it up a couple times, but that's the finished look. I much prefer this. I could actually see myself going out with something like that. This is like the more dramatic sort of, whatever the hell that is. Yeah, I don't know. I was kind of worried about the crazier shades just cause like, I just feel like I look better with less makeup. That's just me. Some people look really good with these like these wild looks, but I definitely don't. It's just like a nice thing to experiment with, I guess. Overall, I'm really excited to use the top row and the bottom row. I feel like this whole row could be like a New Year's look, and then this whole row is like an everyday look. This conspiracy shade I didn't use, but I was really looking forward to using it actually. But yeah, other than that, it's nice to have these here, and like I get why they put it in the palette. But honestly, I don't see myself using any of those shades. But the majority of the palette I will use. So yeah, anyway, that's the finished look. Don't make fun of me too hard, I did my best. And by the way, the shade of lipstick that I'm wearing is Charlotte Tilbury Supermodel, because I'm a supermodel and so are you. Yeah. Not a total failure, I have to admit. But it's aight, it's aight. I could definitely rock this. I think I'm probably gonna take this off. Can you imagine if I walked around the office like this all day? What is a look? I'm definitely gonna take off this eye and then copy that for that eye. It's a really cool palette. It's more of like just like a work of art. I really like it. I would give it like a 9 out of 10. Thanks for checking out this video. It's a new thing, why not, right? Let me know what you think of my very amazing makeup look in the comments below. Like this video if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more of it on this channel, let me know. I hope not though, because like honestly the idea of someone like watching me put on my makeup made me worse at makeup. Chris knows, he's been sitting here this whole time and all he's been hearing is like it up. Because I don't want all the makeup gurus in the comment section being like, ew, What the hell is that wing? Have you guys tried the Conspiracy palette? Let me know down below in the comments. Do you guys plan on getting it? Do you plan not to get it after watching this review? Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video.